If you're anything like the majority of Gmail users, you've probably had your account for years and never changed your password. But did you know that changing your password is a quick and easy process? In this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail password in just a few easy steps. So watch this video until the very end to make sure your account is as secure as possible. To get started, first open up your Gmail application and then make sure you are signed into your account. And then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then select the Gmail account that you want to change the password for. Once you do that, tap on the Google account button under your Gmail. And that will open up this page. So when you are on this screen, what you want to do next is swipe through these options at the top and then tap on Security. Once you are on the Security tab, scroll down and below the Signing into Google section. The first option is called Password. So if you want to change your Gmail password, simply tap on it and it will load up this. So now what you want to do is type in your current password. If you don't remember your current password, tap on the Forgot Password option over here. And then you have to go through this process in order to reset your password, and it will either send an SMS code to the phone number that you entered into your Google account, or send a link to your recovery email address. So I do know my current password. I'm just going to go back and type it in, and, after that, tap Next. And then type in your new password over here. Make sure to type in something that you can remember with a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And then type in that exact password over here to confirm your new password. After that, tap on Change Password to update your password to the new password that you just typed in. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.